Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So today's look is inspired by James Charles. So this look is all about creating that thunders, that lightning effect on your face. So I have just recreated this look in my own version by using a different color. So yeah, let's just get started and let's see how I created this look. Just in case you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So at the beginning, I would be using a blush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I would be applying it on the area where I just want to create that lightning thunder effect on my face. So I'm just marking it down and applying a very light coat of that blush on my face. Just marking down the lines that where exactly I want the effect on my face. Time using the powder brush, I would be blending it just to give a little lighter version on my face, because what I believe in from going lighter to the darker shade. So I'm just creating that transition of the effect. So the eyeshadow palette which I'm using today is a first edition palette from BH Cosmetics, and I would be using a very light shade. The first shade which I'm taking is a very light shade, and using an eyeshadow brush I would be applying it all over my lid. And next color I'm taking a purple color which is a little darker color from the previous one, and I would be again applying it all over my eye. As I said, I would be creating a transition effect from going from lighter to the deeper shade. So that's what I'm doing. So using a eyeshadow brush, I would be applying it all over my lid, and then using a blending brush I would be blending it on both of my eyes. And again I'm using the same shade on my face to again create that transition effect on my face like I mentioned before. Make sure you blend out the color really nicely, because just in case you miss out any area, it would look really harsh and really bad. Right now it's not looking good, but trust me guys, the end result is really good. You just need to spend time in blending. If your blending is correct, it's gonna turn out really well. Next color which I'm taking is again from the purple family, but it's again a little deeper shade from the last one which I used, and I'm applying it on the same spots where I applied the last shade, just creating that transition effect and blending it out nicely. Now I'm using a small eyeshadow brush and just creating those sharp curves that where exactly I have to stop, like creating an effect that I don't have to apply color over there. So using a small eyeshadow, I'm just creating those curves on my face where I don't have to apply the eyeshadow. The next color which I'm taking from the eyeshadow palette is a black color, and I would be using it on the outer corners of my eyes, and then using a small blending brush I would be just blending it on the outer corners of my eyes, creating a V structure. Just keep blending it until unless you don't get a smooth blending effect. And using grey metallic eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette, I would be applying it on the front end of my eyes using a flat shader eyeshadow brush. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Using a deeper purple shade again on my face, I am just darkening the spots on my face to create that transition, and just making sure if in case I have missed few spots, I can cover them up now. Using a Huda Beauty eyeliner and kajal, which is a 2-in-1, I would be applying the kajal on my waterline on both of my eyes. You can totally skip this part, but I wanted to create my eyes little bold, that's why I'm using a black kajal. Otherwise you can use a substitute as a white or a bronzer kajal. Using a pencil brush, I would be blending the kajal which I just applied on both of my eyes to give a little smoky effect. Curling both of my eyelashes. For the mascara, I'm taking a Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline, which is one of my favorite product. Applying it on both of my eyes. As I always mention in my videos, please make sure that you spend time while applying the mascara on both of your eyelashes. For the eyelashes, I am taking my all-time favorite Brazen from Black Label. Next product which I am using is Epic Wear eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics, which is in shade white, and I'm creating that lightening effect on my face using this white eyeliner. And I'm just using the reference picture of James Charles and trying to replicate the same lightning effect which he created. So this is what I'm doing. You don't have to be perfect, the effect doesn't need to be perfect, you can just create a waves the way you like, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to replicate the image and just creating that lightning effect on my face. Well, it doesn't take much long. I think it took me 10 minutes to create this, but yes, you have to be patient. Just don't be quick while applying it, otherwise you can mess around with your whole makeup. So make sure you just spend time doing this and have patience. This look was loved by so many of you, and you guys actually wanted to see how I created this look, so thank you so much. Lipstick which I'm using today is the Infallible lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. It's again in the shade purple, and it has a little gloss texture, so that's why I'm using a glossy lipstick today, because my makeup was really matte. For the highlighter, I'm using a True Blend highlighter from CoverGirl, and I would be highlighting my nose and also highlighting my eyebrow bones. Also highlighting my inner corners. Now to set my makeup, I am using a makeup setting spray from Wet n Wild. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Just in case you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all my socials, which is mentioned down below. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.